Hi, this is Patience Ekle Ogochukwu. Alright, I'm here to show you how to be able to secure your account. When I mean your account, specifically your blockchain account, up to the gold level, which is level 3, so that you will be sure that any amount of coin that you have in that account is fully secured. So as you can see on my screen right now, I'm in your email. You log into your email, okay, and then in your case I already save your account detail in your draft. I'm not going to be mentioning it, and I'm not going to be opening it for security purposes. And then what I need you to do to log into your account, each time you want to log into your account, you go to your email and then you go to your inbox. This is your inbox that I clicked, and that's why it's showing this. The first message, this is the inbox. All right, then the first email that was sent by blockchain into your email, you click it. If you click it, so that you can go there and copy your ID, because your wallet ID, because is your wallet ID is like your username on the blockchain. Is your wallet ID and your password that you will be using to log into your account each time you want to log in. So alright, so I already copied it. Okay, so I'll be going to paste it on blockchain. I'm logging into blockchain now. You can see blockchain.com. Okay, just type on your browser, blockchain.com, and then you come here to log in. Once you do this like once or twice, you become used to it. Alright, you wait for it to load. Okay, this is your ID. Okay, it's already here. This is your ID that I copied. You paste your ID, your wallet ID, the one I just copied from the email, and then you type in your password. Okay, but I don't want to retype your password, so that for security reasons I already typed it in. So I'll just go and log in. Okay, so it's loading. It's very simple, just few steps on how to log into your account. Once you do it few times, you become used to it, and then that's why it's also good to have your app. Once you have your app, it will be very easy too. We are in your account. You can see your account just came up now. Alright, we just logged into your blockchain account, and this is everything that you'll be seeing. You're looking at my screen, right? You'll be seeing all these things. So now you see that it was easy for me to log in. Right now, the way your account is, anybody that have your email and password can log into your account. It then now means that if you have 10 million or 20 million naira in this account, and anybody have access to just your password and email, the person can access this account and remove that money within 1 minute. Just a minute or less than a minute, that money is gone. So that's why it's very important that this account is well secured to the highest level before any money is being transferred into it. Okay, so first thing first, I need you to go to security. As you can see, we are seeing here security. You go here and click on security. Okay, in the security, all right, we have basic and advanced, and right now we are on the basic. Okay, just as the word implies, the basic things that needs to be done. One, to verify your personal email, which has been done. I did that for you. And the third one is to save secret private key. I have also done that for you, and the private key has been sent to your draft. Okay, and I'm sure you have seen them by now, so you can also copy it and put on a diary that you know that is only accessible to only you. Then this third one, okay, this middle one that I told you I cannot do this one from my end because it will need you to use your mobile phone. Yes, your authenticator app or SMS code. Come here. Okay, I'm showing you this now because I don't want to do it by myself. I'm just directing you on what to do so you can do it yourself. So you come here and then you click enable. If you click on security, I'm taking it again, come to security, ensure that it's on basic, then come to security. From security, you discover that email has been verified, your secret and key phrase has recovery phase. That's this secret phase is to enable you recover your account in case of any complications. Then this two-step verification, let me show you. They made it clear here. See, never share your secret phrase with anyone. Blockchain.com will never ask you for this information. Okay, so now you come to this two-step verification. This two-step verification simply means that you need to pass through 2 doors before getting. Anybody that wants to have access to this account must pass through 2 doors, and the second door is to pass through you. You must be aware. So you come here and enable it from your end. Okay, if you go to enable, there are 3 different things here. You have authenticator app. Okay, this one you use app to generate codes. Okay, you have pair with your UBK, and then this one mobile phone to use code sent via SMS. What this simply means is that for anybody to get access to your account, it simply means that either you use app, any of these 3, but I will advise you to use your phone number. Okay, if you use this authentication app, it means you have to go and download Google Authenticator app into your phone, and then before anybody gets access, the codes will have to be generating on your phone, and these codes that changes in seconds, so is usually complicated somehow. So I would advise that you use your mobile phone here. So you come here and then you click on mobile phone. Okay, but I'll also show you where you'll be putting your mobile phone. I have not registered your mobile phone on this account because if I do that from my end, I will be logged out. So I want you to do it yourself, because once I'm sure that you have secured your account, I will now send in money so that even myself will not have access to it. So once I have sent in your money to your account, before I'll be able to have access to your account, you will have to give me a code that they will send to your phone. So it's with that code that I'll be able to access your account. If you don't give me that code, I will not be able to access your account. But you can see right now that I'm accessing your account. Okay, because you have not done this two-step verification. Look at it here. So I need you to do it, and that's why I'm doing this video. Okay, so you come here and then you click on phone number, then you follow the other process. So that is that on this aspect. Then you come to setting. Okay, so that is basic, then this is advanced. Click on advanced. All right, on this advanced, you can see here, don't touch anything. Please, let me repeat it. Here, don't touch anything. If you go to touch anything, my hand no dey. In Nigeria pidgin English, my hand no dey. Just leave everything as it is. I have set it like that. Don't touch anything, please. Then that's in the advanced. Don't touch anything. The only thing that is left for you here is this two-step verification that says you should put your number to the receiving code. Then the next thing I need you to do is to come here I need you to come here. This is an icon for settings. Okay, just click on it and then you come to preferences. Okay, when you click on the setting icon, you come to preferences and click on preferences. Okay, then on these preferences you will now add mobile number. So you have to come and add this mobile number before you do your authentication. So you click on the mobile number, all right, and then you add it here. Once you add it, okay, this is not mobile number and this is the country. Okay, the number you are putting United States, so you will leave it on United States and then you type in the phone number here. Then you come here and update it. Remember I said I won't be doing it myself because I will be logged out of the account and I have not sent your money. So that is that on this one. So you first of all come here and put in your number by yourself, so that anytime once you do that, it then means I will not be able to access your account from my end until you give me your code for me to be able to access your account. So that once you give me your code, I send in your coin, you will know that even myself that created the account doesn't have access to it. All right, so I won't be doing that myself. I won't be doing that. They say choose how to get notified when you receive crypto. How do you want to be notified if you receive crypto? Is it through email or SMS? I will advise that, or let me just click. Okay, you can choose both. Just click email. Email is better, so you can get all your notifications there. You can easily check them in case your phone. Email is safer. Even if you change phone, all the messages will be there, unlike phone. Okay, so I hope you understand to this level, and then just follow all the processes that I have given you so far. All right, you can see, don't forget all that I have asked you to do to be able to secure your account, especially the two-factor authentication, where you'll be using your mobile phone. Okay, I need you to use your mobile phone. It's very easier and convenient, okay, more than the app. I use app authenticator and I know how technical using the app is, because different codes keep generating in second by second. And then imagine someone wants to send you money or something, and then the codes keep generating and you need to call the person on phone to give the code. The person can have access and all of that, so it can be so tiring most times. So it's better code. When the code is sent to your phone, you'll be able to give to the person that needs to access your phone, access the account. That's if you want anyone to access it. So right now we have come to the end of this instruction. Just follow it carefully and ensure that your account is well secured. There are a lot of other things I would have loved to show you. So thank you very much. I'm Patience Etle Obuchukwu, and from here it will be bye for now.